wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best beach chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Textiline Sling on the Rio Gear Ultimate Backpack contours to the shape of your body, while the insulated cooler on the rear keeps your beverages and snacks nice and chilled. It's wide enough for large users and comes with adjustable shoulder straps. However, the zippers are low quality. At number 9, the Beachmall Jumbo sports handsome hardwood arms that are coated to stand up to sun and salt, and an anodized aluminum frame that shouldn't rust. With an impressive 500-pound weight capacity, it can support heavy individuals. It's equipped with a roomy and spacious seat and a swing-away pillow, but it is expensive compared to some others. Coming in at number 8 in our list, keeping youngsters protected from UV rays is easier with the Kelsyus canopy, which boasts a UPF 50+ rating. Because it's lightweight, compact when folded up, and has backpack-style straps, most children can carry it on their own. It's a good choice for toddlers, however it doesn't recline and there's not enough headroom for tall kids. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the strongback low gravity, as the name suggests, sits close to the ground with just a 4-inch clearance, which helps to keep it stable on sand. It provides good support and is equipped with backpack straps, making it easy to carry when your hands are loaded up with other gear. It includes mesh panels for ventilation, padded armrests, and wide feet to prevent it sinking. Moving up our list to number 6. It's not just adults who need a comfortable place to sit when relaxing at the beach, kids do too. And that's just who the Melissa and Doug Giddy buggy is for. Both boys and girls will appreciate the cute design and vibrant colors. It comes with a cup holder in the armrest and a storage bag at a budget-friendly price. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Rio Gear Lounge not only allows you to relax comfortably, but has a roomy pouch attached to the backrest that can be used for holding snacks, beverages, sunscreen, and whatever else you might want to have on hand. It dries quickly and folds up easily, and comes in various striped designs. At number 4, the Caravan Sports Zero Gravity is a popular choice as it claims to simulate a weightless environment. It features an adjustable padded headrest that can also be used as a lumbar support. It locks securely in any position and is made with a long-lasting fabric. There are several colors to choose from. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, instead of being one more thing you have to lug to the beach, the Max Sports 2-in-1 Folding Lounge transforms into a cart with a mesh basket that you can use to transport all your other gear. Its large all-terrain wheels roll easily over sand too. It's equipped with a telescoping handle and a 100-pound carrying capacity, along with a pocket on the back for magazines. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Tommy Bahama Backpack Cooler has a lightweight aluminum frame that can adjust to 5 positions, and a tough 600 denier polyester fabric that can stand up to plenty of use. It features a cell phone pouch, a fold-out towel rack, and a removable pillow. And taking the top spot on our list, the canopy on the GCI Outdoor Waterside can help prevent you from getting too much fun in the sun. When you don't need it, it collapses out of the way so you can work on your tan. It includes a handy beverage holder and a powder-coated frame, and it reclines to 4 positions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beach chairs, or simply click beneath this video.